Thanks for joining me for the State of the Market. I just want to preface this by saying that you may have noticed that I have not done my usual weekly State of the Market report in a couple of weeks. There's a really good reason for that. The market has been changing a lot in the last few weeks, and I wanted to take a step back before reporting to you on what's happening, because I think it might be helpful to take a look at this with just a slightly longer perspective. So I'm shifting to a monthly State of the Market report to be able to give you a little more perspective. So what I can say is this: we are now in April. We seem to be certainly in our spring market. What's really interesting is that the supply continues to drop and the pending sales continues to rise. In fact, over the last 5 weeks, we have had contract activity consistently of over 300 contracts signed each week. Last week, we had something like 340 contracts signed. The last time that happened was in March of 2007. So clearly the market is back. This is not just 1 week or 2 weeks. This is now 5 weeks of a trend of falling supply and rising contract activity. That's the first thing I want to say. We are also seeing median sales in real time. So you know how you get those quarterly market reports, and they're going to be coming out soon. That information is like looking in a rearview mirror. That information is old. It is based on information that is 3-4 months old. The information that I'm sharing with you about where the market is at is as of right now. This is based on current market activity. So if it's a pending deal, this is all stuff that's happening right now. Our median sales prices seem to be trending to those of 2019. So the market was starting to correct, right? In 2017, that was when our market was the highest in the summer. After that, our market started to slide and prices started to drop. Now, prices seem to have corrected post-COVID. Our worst months were in May of 2020 in terms of falling prices, down market-wide about 14%. But now we have recovered from that, and we are now kind of back to early to mid 2019 prices. We're not back to 2017. I think that would be a mistake to say that. But the way things are looking, it looks like we have recovered and we are back to about 2019 prices, perhaps mid-year of 2019. Anyway, I'm going to share some interesting charts with you and reports on kind of where the supply is, where the pending contracts are at for the month of March. The only other thing that I wanted to say is that we are, right now, we have been kind of in this neutral market, meaning it's neither a buyer's market or a seller's market. However, if we continue to see falling supply, and we continue to see this demand that we have been seeing for the last 5 weeks, we're probably looking at shifting into a seller's market, which will be very interesting. Let's see if that happens. Okay, well, that was a little bit verbose, but a lot of information to share with you. As I say, this is real-time information. This is not, rear view mirror information. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to talk with you about what's happening in the market. As always, feel free to share this with anyone you think it might benefit. I will be back soon, in about 4 weeks' time, with another State of the Market report. In the meantime, feel free to reach out to me and take care.